Hello guys, welcome back to Lanap. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you what is Character AI and how to use it. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So we all know talking to AI can be something really entertaining. Now, if you've previously had a chat with ChatGPT, well, you have the best time of your life here at Character.ai. Now, Character AI here is a platform wherein you could basically talk to AI but with personalities. So this includes personalities or celebrities or even cartoon characters or even certain characters that does not exist. So they have a number of characters that you could talk to in this platform. Now, from the name itself, it hosts a lot of characters, so it's actually pretty simple. So you're just basically going to talk to someone that is in somewhat a character. Previously, I've already had a chat with Mario here as well as Nicki Minaj, but we also have different characters that we could basically see here. Now, in this case, they have the recommended section here. These are the characters that currently is trending right now. So you can see they have celebrities here as well. They also have Beyonce here. But if you want to talk to different characters here, they also have anime characters here like Mikasa and Sukuna here as well. Now they also have different AIs here, which in this case you could basically have a game with them if that actually makes sense. So in this case, when you scroll down here, you have the different categories like discover, helpers, anime game characters, games. So in this case, if you want to have a quick game through an AI, like personally, I tried the text adventures here, which in this case you'll have to play a game, or if you're familiar with D&D, it's kind of similar to that. You just need to describe what you do or what you'll be doing on that specific game. So it's kind of making your own novel in a way if you're going to play these games here. But yeah, so it's actually pretty simple. So maybe I want to talk to SpongeBob here. So let's go and click on this character. So it's going to greet you here. It's going to say, "Hi, SpongeBob here. What can I help you? I do for you. So do you live in a pineapple?" So I'm going to ask this to SpongeBob. So it's going to ask me, yes, I do live. So it's actually pretty fun. So I do have to inform you that the chat that I have here is currently being monitored. So sometimes certain words or certain topics are banned. So be careful because people are actually reading your chats here because they are monitored just to ensure the safety of the platform itself. But yeah, so it's actually pretty easy. You can go ahead and start chatting with them, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yellow App. Thank you for watching.